Hi guys, my name is Jaden Blanche. This is my first YouTube video, and I'm going to do about my fidget spinners. This is most of all my fidget spinners, except for one. Two of them is missing. Someone stole one of them. I'm accusing my friends of doing it, because they said the one was so bad. If I had it, I would be showing you. It would be one of my best fidget spinners. So I have these two. It's light up fidget spinners. They're the same thing. It's just that they're different. That over here is different colors. Over the fidget spinner part, not except for the bearings. Oh my god. Okay, these are my top worst fidget spinners. Those are my light up fidget spinners. Getting into my regular ones is these. I have the same version of this. It's just blue. I switched up the bearing colors. Hold on, I'm coming back. I need to get a light. Hold on. I'm back. I got this book light. I just found it. That do. Guess this will do, guys. Sorry about that glare. We'll try not to have a glare. That's still a glare. I do it like this, probably, so I could see. So sorry, don't mind this. Okay, all better. You can see my face as a glare. Oh my god, my nose looks weird. I look okay. So I have I need to fix that light. Okay. So I have these fidget spinners. A green and a glow in the dark. This glow in the dark is really bad. It's not even glowing right now, and it's kind of dark. Look, take that off. Not glowing, not glowing. And assure to you that's glow in the dark. So those, getting into my special ones. You will be very, very interested. And I'm missing something now. Yes, I'm missing it. Oh, it's right here. Okay, so my first one is this Delta one. Very shiny, especially without the light. So it doesn't spin for long. As you can see right now, it just stopped. It's supposed to be spinning for 3 minutes. That spinned for 30 seconds. I'm guessing 30 seconds. Pretty sure 30 seconds. My second one is this one. Really, really shiny once again, without the light. Spins for a long time. In person, when you look at it and spinning, it looks like half of a circle in person, but it doesn't look like that. That's this one. I forgot the name of this one. Most I don't know their names. Just this one right now. And this one. The second one is the wheel one. As you can see, it also comes with these, which is grips. I'm gonna put on the orange one right now. I got this at a 99-cent store. It had Chinese words all over it. I didn't bother to read. I just hit the camera. Well, my mom's phone. That's what I use. Oh my God, this looks so bad. Oh my God. Do I have? No, I'm gonna try it without the grips. This works so bad. And sorry if I scream, because there might be moths right now. We have a moth invasion. Oh my God! Doesn't work at all. Doesn't work at all. At least it went around my very, very special one. Oh. My ultimate one is Captain America. Look at it. Looks so cool, right? There's a certain way to hold it. If you hold it like this, it stops really fast. If you hold it like this, it stops. It's pretty much holding in the same way. Like a saw blade. Saw blade. It kind of could, but if it does, I gotta say it works better. Yeah, well, I guess. I'm just gonna do this quick. Oh, if you're watching this, I know that there might not be any subscribers for the first time, but you could leave a like or a comment, and if you leave a comment, say what you want next. I also, if I can't do that, I have this little bit that I'm going to do next video. Here's a quick view of some. That's just rubber bands attached to it. Here's some. Why did I do that? Bye.